Hi there, I'm Irfan here. So today I will discuss on comparable interface. The implementation of comparable interface. I have just made a Eclipse demo project. Here you can see that I have made a class which implements the comparable interface. In this class, I have made two instance variables, that is private string type name and marks of integer type, and I have created one student constructor to initialize the variables. Now you see I have created get and set methods, and now here you can see that in comparable interface there is public abstract compared to the object method, which is overridden here. And you can see that here this type is object type. So we create this object to student object type. So we just typecasted it. So you can see that we just typecasted it, and here we have used if this dot marks is greater than this instance method, this marks is greater than get s dot this object reference of student type. It contains the student object. So if this s dot get marks is less than this dot marks, then it return 1, otherwise it returns negative value. So here you have seen that, and now we just overrides we just made a object class method string to string. So here decrease string buffer, use string buffer, then we have just append the name and marks. And now see the actual comparable demo class. Here we have just created array list, and there we added 3 input and their marks, that is Alex, Joe and Marks. You can see we just put it in the descending order, their marks 88, 76, 68. Okay, now see we just use list iterator to iterate this object, and first of all we just first of all beginning the sort operation, we just printed the names and marks, and then in this we just iterate this objects, and here particularly if you notice particularly that collection dot sort, this sort of collection object, this sort method of collection object we used, and we passed the object. Next you can see that we used a list iterator. Reference is different, obviously we used separate reference, so li2, and we just iterate this object and we just print it. Now you can see that this is the output. This is the first output where the